Welcome to Gentle Full Body Yoga. Helps you to reconnect your breath, release stiffness, calms your nervous system, and get you ready for the day. Let's get started in a tabletop position. Hands on the shoulders, knees under your hips. Let's start circling in one direction. Shoulders and hips over wrist and knees. Reverse the circles. Back to the center. Drop your belly for cow. Lift your sit bones, look up. Now stretch out your right side of your body. On your inhale, round your spine. On your exhale, stretch out to the opposite side of your body and drop your belly. Spinal barrows one more time. Maybe extending and bending one arm at a time. Reverse the circles. Feel 360-degree of your ribcage. Back to the neutral position. Extend the left leg to the side, left foot in line with your right knee. Left arm reaches up on your inhale. Exhale, thread the needle. Left arm goes under your right arm. Relax your left ear to the mat. Option 2, reach your right arm up and over. Stay here for one breath. Now slide your right hand back. Lift up on your inhale. Exhale, release left hand to the mat. Rock forward on your inhale. Rock back. Press your hips back towards the heels. Lift your left foot up. Rock forward once again and then rock back on your exhale. Left toes pointing, sailing back to neutral position. Step your left foot to the top of the mat, low lunge. Tuck your tailbone, circle both arms up. Stay here for one breath. On your inhale, lift your back knee off the mat, press into your left foot. Exhale, softest to the ground. One more time. One last time, lift. Hold here for one breath. Release your left arm by your side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, bend to the left. Option to drop your lower knee down if it's unstable for you. On your inhale, come up. Exhale, twist to the left. Left arm reaches back. Right arm reaches forward. Keep squeezing your inner thighs. And then release. Both arms reaches up on your inhale. Exhale, hands to wrist. Extend the front leg. Drop the back foot down for pyramid. Keep a micro bend in your front knee. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, fold over until you feel enough stretch at the back of your front leg, all the way up in your left foot. You can stay high or release your hands. Relax your head. Stay for 2 breaths. Keep pulling the left hip back to keep your hips square. On your inhale, lift up, bend the front leg, step your left foot back, come into a hovering tabletop position. Bend your knees, lift your knees off the mat and inch out. So press the mat away from you. Stay here for 2 breaths. Keep tucking the tailbone and look ahead of you. Arch your spine. Press your hips towards the sky. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep a generous bend in your knees. Press your chest towards the thighs. Find the length in your arms and spine. Start pedaling up your feet. Find the length. Raising the back of your ankles and calves. Relax your head. Maybe on your head for S or no. On your inhale, come onto the balls of your feet. Tuck your tailbone, wave into your spine, plank. Stay here for one breath. Keep tucking your tailbone. Option to lower your knees down to modify it. As you exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Hug the elbows in as you bend them. Slowly lower down. Upward facing dog or Bhujangasana. Inhale, lift your chest up, look up, exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Stay here for one breath. Drop your knees to the mat, tabletop position. Let's repeat the same sequence on the other side. Extend the right leg to the side, right foot in line with your left knee. Right arm reaches up on your inhale, turn your chest open, exhale, thread the needle. Relax the right side of your head to the mat. Option 2, extend your left arm all the way up and over your head. Stay here for one breath. Press into your left hand. Once again, reach your right arm all the way up and over. Exhale, release. Rock forward on your inhale, rock back on your exhale as you lift your right toes up. One more time. Internal rotation. External rotation of your hip. Back to the neutral position. Step your right foot to the top of the mat. Anjaneyasana. Stay high. Tuck your tailbone. Circle both arms up. One breath here. Relax your shoulders. With your next breath in, press into your back foot. Lift the back knee off the mat. And then release. Slow and control. One more time. One last time. Lift. Hold and breathe. Release your right hand to your side. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend to the right. Breathing into the left line of your body, down to your waist. You can feel the stretch in the front left side of your hip. Back to the center. Twist to the right. Right arm goes behind, left arm reaches forward. Maybe gaze over your right shoulder if you feel stable here. Breathe in and out your nose. Release. Both arm reaches up on your inhale. Exhale, extend the front leg, hands come to your waist, pyramid. Keep a generous bend your front knee. Take a deep breath in. Chest is lifted. Exhale, fold at your own degree. You can stay high, keeping your spine nice and flat, or release your hands to the mat. 2 breaths here. Relax your head. Keep squeezing your inner thighs. On your next inhale, lift up, bend the front leg, step it back. Adho Mukha Svanasana once again. Stay here for one full breath cycle. Now, come onto your knees. Walk your hands back. Come into a toe stand position. Sit up on your heels. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Now clasp your hands behind your head. Elbows pointing side to side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Fold over chin to chest. Draw the elbows in. Well, look under your left arm as your right elbow dips down on your inhale. On your exhale, chin to chest. Look under your right arm as your left elbow dips in on your inhale. Let's repeat this one more time, slow and steady. Feeling every inch behind and the sides of your neck. Lift your head up on your inhale, release your hands to the mat. Pick up your knees, feet flat on the ground for ragdoll. Extend your legs as far as you can, soften your knees. Grab the opposite elbows, relax your head. You can stay still or maybe swing side to side. Deep breaths in and out your nose. Raise your hands, press into your heels, roll up on your exhale. Stacking one vertebra at a time. Your head comes all the way in the end. Let's take a deep breath into our bellies. Pause at the top, open your mouth, let go. Guide your hands at your heart. Bow forwards. Thank yourself for showing up today exactly as you are. If this practice supported you, comment below how it felt for you. You're welcome to subscribe to this channel and practice together again. Take care and see you in the next practice.